Hi, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. In this video, we'll explore IDEs or integrated development environments and discuss why choosing the right IDE is important. We'll also introduce some of the most popular IDEs for Python. Before we dive into the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, setting it to all so you won't miss any new uploads. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. That really helps keep me motivated. An IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, is a software application that makes coding much easier for developers. It brings together various features like code editing, testing, database connections, and more. All in one place, so you don't have to switch between different tools. Some common features of an IDE include code auto-completion, syntax highlighting, code suggestion, refactoring support, auto-build capabilities, compiling, code testing, debugging. When it comes to choosing an IDE, there are several factors to consider. Let's go over some of the most important ones. Programming language. Some IDEs offer better support and features for specific programming languages, making them the go-to choice even if they're less well-known overall. Operating system. Check if the IDE is compatible with your operating system. Most popular IDEs support Windows, Mac, and Linux, but there are exceptions, especially when working with certain languages and systems. Automation feature. Look for features that boost your coding speed, like error suggestion and quick refactoring options. Customization. Developers often think of their IDE as their second home, so it's important to have the ability to personalize it according to your preferences for a more comfortable and efficient coding experience. Now let's switch to the laptop and take a look at the official website of some popular Python IDEs. First, open the browser, go to the Visual Studio Code, write down code.visualstudio.com in the URL bar of the browser. As you know, Visual Studio Code is one of the popular IDEs in the world now. Also, it can be used to write Python code. If you want to familiar with this IDE, you can explore the website. In this website, at first section, it shows the appearance of Visual Studio Code. Also, there is a download button based on your operating system. In the next video, we explore the installation of VSCode step by step. And the link of this video would be at the top or in the description of this video. In the next section, it says you can code in any language with this IDE. Then it says about extensions. Extensions are one of the powerful part in this IDE. In the next section, it mentions to GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot can help you to code fast and easily. You can fully customize this IDE and make it your home. Also, it mentions you can code anywhere with this IDE. And there are many other features which you can see there. At the top of this website, there is a menu. We want to talk about Docs item in this menu. When you click on it and open this page, you see Getting Started, First Steps, Top Extensions, which are useful for learning to code with this IDE. Another important part in this page is in Side menu, an item with the name of Python. When click on it, you can see many links and you can learn more about writing Python code in this IDE. There is another important page in this website which calls Updates. In this page, you can see different versions and their features. In the extensions page, you can explore VSCode extensions. There are many useful extensions for Visual Studio Code which can be used to code easily and fast. The next IDE that we talk about is PyCharm. It's developed by JetBrains. You can access to the website of this IDE by going to jetbrains.com/PyCharm. In the first section of this website, you can access to the download link and companies that use this IDE. In the next section, it shows the IDE in dark mode. And after that, you get more information about PyCharm. The next IDE we want to talk about is Jupyter. You can go to the Jupyter website by typing jupyter.org. At homepage of this website, you can see about Jupyter Notebook and many other features. One of the important sections in this website is install. You can enter this page and learn how to install it. Another important page is documentation. In this page, you can learn how to use this IDE to code. The next IDE is IDLE. You can access the website of IDLE by typing this URL. In the left side of homepage, there is a table of contents. You can use it to learn more about this IDE. The next IDE is Vim. You can access the website of this IDE by typing this URL, vim.org, in the URL bar of your browser. In this website, you can learn how to download, install, and code with this IDE. And the last IDE we want to familiar with it in this video is Sublime Text. With your browser, you can go to this URL, sublimetext.com, and access to this content. With this content, you'll learn how to download this IDE and familiar with its features. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of the best IDEs available for Python programming, and you'll be able to pick the right one even if new IDEs come out in the future. If there is a new IDE you'd like me to cover in more detail, let me know in the comments and I'll create a dedicated video for it. I'll also add the link to the video in the description here. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you'd like to support my work and see more content like this, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and set it to all to stay updated. Your likes and comments mean a lot to me, and I always do my best to read and respond to them. Until the next video, take care everyone.